Administration Section 105 Inspections 105.1 General. All plumbing systems for which permits are required by this code shall be inspected by the administrative authority. No portion of any plumbing system shall be concealed until inspected and approved. The administrative authority or his representative shall not be liable for expenses incurred in the removal and replacement of materials required to warrant proper inspection. When the installation of a plumbing system is complete, an additional and final inspection shall be made. Plumbing systems regulated by this code shall not be connected to the water and energy fuel supplies nor to the sewer system until authorized by the administrative authority and other agencies concerned. All administrative plumbing personnel, plumbing inspector shall be a registered and licensed master plumber in accordance with the provision of Republic Act 1378, otherwise known as Plumbing Law. 105.2 Operation of plumbing equipment. The requirements of this section do not prohibit the operation or use of any plumbing accessory installed to replace existing equipment or fixtures serving an occupied portion of the building when a request for inspection of such equipment or fixtures has been filed with the administrative authority, not more than 72 hours after such replacement work is completed and before any portion of such plumbing system is concealed by any permanent portion of the building. 105.3 Testing of systems. All plumbing systems shall be tested and approved as required by this code or the administrative authority. 105.4 Inspection requests. It shall be the duty of the person doing the plumbing work authorized by a permit to notify the administrative authority that such work is ready for inspection. The administrative authority requires that every request for inspection be filed at least 3 working days before such inspection is intended. Such request shall be in writing and jointly signed by the owner and the registered and licensed master plumber, contractor. It shall be the duty of the person requesting inspections required by this code to provide access to and means for proper inspection of such work as well as provide all the equipment, the tools, power and water required toward the test. 105.5 Other inspections. In addition to the inspections required by this code, the administrative authority may require other inspections of the plumbing work to comply with the other provisions of this code. Other pertinent laws and ordinances enforced by the administrative authority. LO5. 6. Reinspections. 105.6.1 A fee will be charged on the applicant for each inspection or reinspection when a portion of the plumbing work for inspection is called for is not completed. 105.6.2 This provision shall not be interpreted as requiring reinspection fees for the first time a job is rejected for failure to comply with the requirements of this code, but as deterrent on the practice of calling for inspections before the job is ready for inspection or reinspection. 105.6.3 Reinspection fees shall be charged when the approved plans are not readily available to the inspector, for failure to provide access and facility on the date when the inspection is requested, or for deviating from plans requiring the approval of the administrative authority. 105.6.4 To obtain reinspection, the applicant shall file an application, in writing, on a form furnished for that purpose and pay the reinspection fee. 105.6.5 In instances where reinspection fees have been assessed, but pending payment of required fees, no reinspection of the work will be performed.